Hi, I am Uncle Rao. I want to introduce the Android phone to Easy Robotics. You may not have a personal computer or a laptop to compile and upload the Arduino sketch or the program. You can use Android phone to compile and upload your Arduino programs and sketches easily. I will guide you to compile or upload your sketches through the Android phone. You need a OTG cable. USB OTG is a short for USB on the go. With a USB OTG cable, you can connect your smartphone or tablet to other devices. The cable has a connector for your phone at one side and the USB-A connector on the other side. If you use a regular USB cable to connect your phone to a computer, the phone is a storage device and your computer will be the main device. With the OTG cable, your smartphone is the main device. Installing the OTG cable. Use the search icon on the right top corner, type OTG. Select OTG connection from the results. Click on toggle next to the OTG connection label. This setting is enabled only for 10 minutes. After idle, you must enable it each time before using. If the light on the board glows, it means OTG is working. Installing Arduino IDE software in your phone. In your smartphone, type Arduino for Android free and click. You will get a screen like this. Select Arduino Droid icon. Download and install the program. After installation, you will get Arduino Drive icon on your phone. How to copy sketches and libraries in your device. Visit this URL for Easy Robotics site. https www.easyrobotics in downloads. 2. Click on the Download Sketches button. This will download a zip file named Sketches zip. Unzip this folder once downloaded. 3. Click Download Libraries button. This will download a zip file by name libraries zip. Unzip this folder once downloaded. Now you must having two folders, sketches and libraries. Copy all the folders inside the sketches folder to phone storage Android sketchbook folder. Copy all the folders inside the libraries folder to phone storage Android user libraries folder. Arduino editor in Android phone. Now click on three dots at right side corner. You will get a screen like this. Now select settings. Select the board type. Click on Arduino. Select the Nano with 80 Mega 328. Opening the Arduino Drive editor. 1. Click the Arduino Drive up icon. 2. Click on three dots. Select Sketch. Select Open Form. Select Device. Here, select one music tunes. Click on tick mark. Arduino Drive editor will be loaded with your selected program or sketch. One music tunes. Now you can connect your Arduino project of music tunes through USB to smartphone. The LED light will glow in your nano circuit and clicking on lightning icon the compilation starts. After successful compilation, click on down arrow upload icon next to the upload your sketch. Uploading starts and after successful uploading, the program sketch runs. Check for all the operations according to your sketch. Android Arduino sketch compiled and uploaded successfully. Log into our website easyrobotics.in. Visit our YouTube presentations. Keep contact with us for further presentations. Thank you.